नमस्कार दोस्तों, आफ्टर एवरी यूजीसी नेट एग्जाम एनटीए कंडक्ट्स आंसर की चैलेंज. व्हाट इज आंसर की चैलेंज? एनटीए विल पब्लिश इट्स ऑफिशियल आंसर की. उसके बाद क्या होगा? एनटीए विल आस्क यू वेदर यू वांट टू चैलेंज आंसर की ऑफ एनी गिवन क्वेश्चन. If you want, you have to submit the reason that why you are thinking that a given answer key for a given question is incorrect, and you also have to support some reasoning behind that why you are saying so. Also, you have to submit a fees of rupees 1000 per question. That is what NTA has been doing for last 3-4 years. So today I'll tell you how Human Paratus will support you in this answer key challenge. So guys, when official answer key is out, first thing keep in mind that you will get 1 to 2 days only. Usually NTA आपको 1 या 2 दिन का समय ही देगा जिसमें आपको अपना आंसर की चैलेंज का सबमिट करना है. तो जैसे ही NTA ऑफिशियल आंसर की रिलीज करता है, what you can do is that you can share your question with us. What you have to share? You have to email us these 3 details. Number 1, question number. Number 2, PDF file of question paper. What is this PDF file? So NTA will allow you to download the question paper. So send us that. And number 3, why do you think the given answer is incorrect? So whatever your reason, whatever sources do you have, share that with us. Do not just write that this answer is wrong, because we have to understand what your thinking is. Only then we'll be able to advise you. So you have to write that why this answer is not right, what if other answer is correct, or whatever you are thinking. Maybe none of the answer is correct. So whatever your thinking is, do write that in your email. So you have to send these 3 details via email on this email ID. The email ID is meeta@humanparatus.com. So then what will happen? Then what we will do? So our team will analyze your response, and based on that, we will advise you whether you should be challenging a given answer or not. Another thing, we'll also tell you what other students are thinking about that. So how we will do that? So you will get a closing date, which will be like within 1, 2 or 3 days of publication of answer key only. So जो भी आपका closing day होगा, for example there is a date X, और उसका शाम का कुछ टाइम होगा, 5 बजे का, 6 बजे का. You will have some time before which you have to submit your challenge. उस दिन जो भी लास्ट डे ऑफ सबमिशन होगा, उस दिन by lunch time we'll publish a video where on the YouTube channel of Human Paratus. So in that video, what we will do, we'll discuss every question for which you have shared your responses with us. We'll also advise you whether you should be challenging it or whether you should not be challenging it. We have been doing it for last 2-3 years now. We also have some fair idea which kind of mistakes NTA accepts and which they do not. So to sum up everything, you have to send your responses via email only. The email ID is meeta@humanparatus.com. Second thing, there is also link given in the description below. That link will also show you this entire process. Finally, you should subscribe to this channel of Human Paratus. Why? Because whenever that video will come out around lunchtime, you will get a notification. So we'll publish a video around lunchtime. So if you want to challenge answer key, then whatever time you will have after lunch time, 3-4 hours before the submission time, then you can submit your claim or whatever you think about a given question. Thank you so much. If there is anything else, do let us know. There is also another link in the description below through which you can get connected to our team via WhatsApp. But for this answer key challenge, please do not send anything via WhatsApp. Please send everything on this email ID only. 3 things. Number 1, which question you want to challenge. Number 2, PDF file of your question paper. Number 3, why you are saying so. Thank you so much. All the best.